Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, Engineering Shock Electronics. This is the portable Pico Pal Project 8, and we're building off of the previous project, Project 7. If you want to see the code, check out the project page. It can be found through the Kickstarter link below. In this video, we're going to plug in our heart sensor. Now there's two types of heart sensors, and I'm going to be actually creating a separate video for both of those. You have two different options at the end of the campaign, but I'll talk about that right later. Right now I've got the clip connected, and you'll notice that the LED is on. That is because I'm running a different program at the moment called main.py. Now, if I haven't mentioned it already, if you want a project to run on PowerUp, you just have to name it main.py. And so this is the diagnostic program that's currently running on it, and I'll get to that because that's project number 10. But so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to power down. Why? Because when you connect your heart sensor, you want to connect it here, and you want to do it when it's off. Otherwise, it'll cause a reset. There's two different jacks here, one named audio, and that's for the little buddy talker chip, and the second is for heart. So we want to plug that in before we power up. That's very important. You're not going to hurt anything, but you might corrupt your scripts. So now I can power up safely, and main.py will execute, and that's not the one that we want to be running. So we want to be running our heart sensor project, which samples 10 heartbeats and prints our average BPM to the shell. So let's have a look at that. So what I've got here is the heart sensor. So the sensor is a little circuit board that glues to the bottom of this clip, and it's got some LEDs on it. And how this works is if you've ever taken a light, you can actually do it here. You can see it. You see how the light is lighting up my finger? So when blood pumps through my finger every time my heart beats, there's a light sensor on here that detects that tiny little bump in light change, and that's fed through some filtration and some amplification to give our Pico basically a square wave. So what I'm going to do is I've got my heart rate sensor clipped on my finger. I'm going to press the play button once I have my project created. I just called it Project 8, and again it's available for download. You can copy and paste it at the project page. I'll press the play button. And in the shell it will say, average your heart rate. Press the button 1, SW1 to end the sequence. But we're not going to do that. So my heart rate is high for the first one. It'll probably go lower, especially if I sit down. Once I sit down, it'll go lower. We'll just watch it for a minute. Slowly going down as I relax. I expect that my real resting heart rate right now is 80. I haven't been going to the gym because the gym is closed where we are because of COVID. But yeah, you want it to be in the 70s. I think 70s to 80s. Mine's a bit high right now. And you can see on the board the representation of my heartbeat. I'll show you right now. So all this before I do that, all this project is doing is just averaging your heart rate every 10 beats. And that's my heart rate. And it slows as you calm. So that's Project 8. Next we'll be talking about the real-time clock in Project 9. So thanks for watching. Check out the Kickstarter link below. Have a great day, everyone.